Hello, roots and truths. Welcome to the garden. I just want to do a quick update for what's been happening here. We're currently under quarantine here in Texas, as is the whole world. So actually getting some more time to spend in the garden. So today I'm just going to give you guys a quick update and show you guys some of the seeds that we planted about 2-3 weeks ago. So it's nearing time where we need to start planting some of these things in the garden. I also have some seeds that I was going to plant directly in the soil, like the carrots and some potatoes and things. And those things need to go directly in the garden. So it's already, for some things it's past time. I should be planted. But what happened since? So I filled these 2 raised beds. Now we actually have a lot more soil remaining. So what I'm going to show you what I'm going to do pretty soon with this extra soil. Let me show you the seedlings that we have going on right now. Yeah, so these are the current seedlings. Actually, before that, this is the amount of soil that's remaining from what we bought wholesale. It's like we have about maybe 2.5 yards here. It can fill like 4 more of those beds. But I'm not gonna build more beds this year, maybe next year. But I have some plans for the soil. I'll show you that later on. Now this is the seedling. This is after about 2.5-3 weeks, and I had these growing in my garage under some lights. Now I can't say I'm too happy with them, but things like the cucumbers, like these should go in the ground this week. I'm going to transplant these this week. You notice some of them, you notice the stem is very long, they're very leggy, and actually this looks like it might be damaged already. And it has like 3 leaves, a 4th one coming up. Yeah, so it's ready to go in the soil. And it's kind of leggy like this because I guess the light in there was not bright enough. And it's kind of like growing towards the light. So yeah, I need to plant these. And I have like tomatoes, onions, and then these are some other like watermelon and stuff, and they're all very leggy. So I'm not too sure about these, but I have a lot. These are also watermelons. I have a lot of watermelons, so I'm not too worried. And these are tomatoes. These are going good. These germinated well. All of my tomatoes germinated. Got some broccoli here. Brussels sprouts, onions, peppers. We'll see. So what I'm doing here, I have a bunch of other seedlings out here. It's not too hot today, but we call this the process of hardening. So before I put them in my raised beds, out in the wild, I'm gonna just give them a couple hours every day, like in the natural elements, let them get used to the wind, the breeze. Yeah, they can't handle the rain here yet, so probably gonna do this for another day. These going in the ground today. These probably a couple other days. Bring them outside when it's not too hot for hours, so let them get some good sunlight and get used to being outside. These are some experiments I have going. I'm also hardening these. So these are actually passion fruit, and so I actually found this selling in a store up here, and these are all the seeds from that one passion fruit. I have like 25 here. I actually plan on selling these if they start vining. And I'm going to plant most of them too, a lot of them, but they're doing good. They got 3 leaves so far. This is probably like after a month maybe, or 3 weeks from sowing. And then these are papaya, or you say papa. This is actually also sown from seed, from a papaya I bought from a store. So there's an experiment going to. But right now I'm hardening them, put them outside for a couple hours a day. Some of these I will have to transplant to a larger container before I put them outside. And here we have, so look at these wood chips. Actually, the wood chips turned out to be a pretty good idea. It looks good under the light. We actually got some more wood chips. I saw another arborist cutting grass. I was like, you're gonna give me a dump? So I have some more wood chips coming. Wifey doesn't mind, so I guess I can keep bringing the wood chips. Actually looks good. Helps keep the grass down. See here, I have cardboard under here. There's no grass. Right here, there is no cardboard, so the grass is coming through. So I'll just end up pull them out by hand or something. This is a grapevine that we have here that was just resurrected. It looked all sticks during the winter. Now they're back. So first year for these, I'm actually gonna prune these a lot more. Like it's too much vine already, but that's good though. All right, let me show you my idea for the other extra soil that I have. So here's one raised bed. And then I have some other space back here. And there's a fence. It's like 6 feet. But so I kind of turn this soil up, and I'm gonna put some more composting soil over this, and maybe just put some branches or something around there. Make another in-ground bed, and I'm gonna put things like corn and maybe some okra, things like that that can grow tall. So that's my plan for this. Thank you for watching Roots and Truths. For more how to garden videos and to follow us on a journey where we can survive on all the food we grow in our own backyard, would you subscribe to our channel? And thank you so much for all the support and for liking and sharing all our videos. Thank you.